What?
I'm brown, so.
Yeah, it's gotta be really black.
Bro, what? Mm-mm.
Ah! Dio Sandro!
Damn, somebody mad. Oh, what's up?
Nothing much. What about you?
You seem upset. What's up with you? You having a bad day?
Yeah, every day actually, but...
It's alright, man. It's just life, you feel me?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Period.
Period. Damn.
I'd put your dick away.
What? What? Oh, my bad. Damn. Y'all skipping me? Hi.
Hi.
How's your day?
Good, what about you?
Yeah, it's good. That was so awkward. Like, why she say it like that? Ooh, y'all like your hat.
You look like you have beastly on your hair. It's a cool thing we eat over here. We call it beastly.
What?
Your hair, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Where I come from, there's a food called beastly.
Beasley?
Your hair looks like beastly.
Biffy? What?
It's more of a snack, like a little canned snack. Your hair looks like beastly.
I mean, I guess.
Can I show you?
Nah, you good, bro. I don't even know what you're saying.
What if she actually had cancer?
Your dog shit? Your mom's open? Fortnite. God damn it. You think he wants to eat your hair?
What are you doing, bro?
What you doing?
I'm sitting in bed, bro. Why you got your shirt off?
Because I just came out the shower.
All right, bro. I gotta get out of here.
Asking too many questions. He the feds. You gonna hurt yourself there. Oh, he dangerous. Karate Kid who? Damn. I know you a black belt. Oh yeah, part two. Oh yeah. Oh. Second time's a charm. It's okay. The tag I use is TikTok.
What the fuck? What? Ah, oh my god. Okay, wait. Like... Hell no. No.
What?
Wait.
What?
No, that's not real.
Bro, what's not real? What's not real?
Hell no. What the fuck?
What's not real? I'm just wondering how you so confused.
Oh my god. Okay.
Why you look so shocked? Do I look like somebody?
I don't know. Aïe. Oh wait. Oh my god. Yo, la vie de ma mère, je te jure, si c'est faux cette affaire-là, là, je vais faire une crise en ce moment. What the
Oh,
fuck?
she's French. Are you French?
Yeah. I'm from Montreal.
Oh, okay.
Shit. Woo. Bro, est-ce que tu niaises, yo? Est-ce que c'est une blague? Yeah, what the fuck?
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Wait.
What?
Attends, yo, stay. Don't skip, please.
Okay.
What the fuck? Yo. Oh, si elle répond pas, je te jure. Non, j'ai appelé Méliane. Wait, don't skip, please. Don't skip.
I'm not.
Oh my god. Million! Okay, say hi.
What's up?
Oh my. Bro, ça me rend pas une crise de cœur en ce moment. What's your Snapchat? Bro, c'est pas comme ça, il allait te... Oh my god, bro. C'est pas comme s'il allait te donner comme ça, bro. Ok, en tout cas, faut que je te laisse, mais en tout cas, je trouve... Ouais, ok. Genre, je suis un peu nerveuse là. Yo.
See, I don't understand French. I'm Hispanic. I'm Dominican.
You not... wait. Oh my god, like, I'm shaking. What the fuck? Wait,
I don't understand
blind,
why
though.
you're shaking.
Oh my god. Oof. Wait. I'm freaking shaking. What the fuck? Wait, that's not real.
What's not real?
You! What the fuck is happening? What?
I mean, I feel real.
Oh my god. Est-ce que c'est une blague, genre, yo?
What you mean I don't feel real?
Oh my god. Attends, yo, wait, don't skip, please, don't skip. Oh my god. Ok, attends, il faut que j'appelle là, genre, je suis tellement fucking... Ok, what? Like, I'm so nervous. What the fuck? Ah! Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm
god.
freaking shaking, bro. Ah! C'est qui? Look! Who? Ella, regarde! Yes, I see. He's hot. C'est pas qui? What the fuck? Wait. No, you dumbass, bro. Yo, oh my god, man. Okay. Yo, c'est pas c'est qui, mon gars? Yo, c'est fucking chose là. Yo, attends, yo, attends.
I had to skip it because I have no idea what you're saying.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. What you do today?
Just school. How about you?
Man, I hate school.
I know, it's awful.
It really does. Like, I don't know, like, who uses physics?
No one. It's useless in life. It's a horrible subject.
It's like, bro, like, why? Like, just why?
Exactly. You just don't need it. It's unnecessary.
Well, I like your room.
Thank you.
Bye. She's chill.
Ay, le estamos sexy.
Oh my god, it's one of these así no me está viajando.
Why? He speaks English. Why are you talking like that? Hi.
What's up?
How old are you?
18.
Damn. Shut up. You're hot.
Thank you.
But say that.
Ah bon?
That looked like a mom, to be honest. Damn. What?
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Why were you looking at me like that then?
Damn, you so hostile. She said, why you looking at me like that? Like, damn.
You were looking mad. I was like, what did I do?
That's just my resting bitch face.
Oh, okay.
Man, you hurt my feelings. She said, why you looking at me like that? Hey, man, I don't trust that.
It's 43 degrees out, and I'm wearing shorts. And tank top. Yeah. That's how I get cold.
She look like a hot Cheeto girl.
Yo, did Devin actually get a full sleeve?
Mm-hmm.
He's not big enough for that.
Damn! Oh, my man's dripped out. Damn. He got that doodle connection. He moving slow as hell. Man, speak English, bro. Damn. What's up?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good. Where you from?
Italy. And you?
You're from Italy?
Yeah.
Damn. Yo, we gotta go to Italy, Justice. Okay, yo, she deserves all, cause that song's about. I do, all I think about is you. Ayy, ayy. Ayy. Damn, why she skip me?
It's your bitch. You're famous.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No.
You're on TikTok. Aren't you on TikTok?
No.
You're on TikTok. I swear to God, you're on TikTok. Dude, no. I don't know you. Oh, fuck. You know, you have to be on
No, gotta go. Yeah, no. They about to find out. Feeling me, bro. You know, I got my man Justice over here. He filming some vlogs. Oh, no. Not filming. He editing.
You want to give him a sneak peek?
Yeah.
Let's see.
This is from this weekend. Snowboarding. You know, I recorded that. You know what I'm saying?
All right. No more.
No more. My fault, y'all. My fault. You about to go meet up with my son Carlito. You feel me? Bro, why y'all keep calling me by my middle name? Like, oh, word. 2K, if you in here, bro, I still want my match for 2K21. I want to play you in New Gen. Go back on amigo. Man, what happened to you playing me on the game? LOL, you be ducking. Bro, I don't know who you talking to like that. Watch. Let me know when you back in LA, 2K. I'm going to play you. You think you slick. He really think he about to play me? I'll play you real life and I'll play you in 2K. Hey, y'all, tell this man like to get up with... Bro, 2K, I don't know what you talking to like that, bro. Because it's not me. This man really think he about to beat me in 2K. What a disgrace. I don't lose, man. Take this L and I'm back here, bow. I bet. So next time I go to LA, I'm going to pop out. Watch. You still in Vegas? Yeah, I am. This man really try to get at me. Man really trying to come at me saying I'm button 2K. Yeah, that's all I play. Stream? I bet. I'm going to hop on my stream today. I'm going to play some people on my team. I'm going to show people who really boss. Jay, why you saying I'm a flop? Man, what? Before you move to New York, come meet me. Bet.
What? Does it say something?
No, I just wanted to show your face. But, alright, I'm about to go stream because I want to play some 2K, y'all. Actually, no, I want to get food first, then I want to go play 2K. Where you at again? I'm in Vegas, though. Just text me after this, 2K. So, I'll let you know when we pop out. But, alright, y'all, I'm about to go eat. I'm going to take my man Justice.